Hello V-tail lovers, May-K Beeler here, fellow V-tail lover with a beautiful S-35 to tell you about today. We are Carolina Aircraft and this is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Now this beautiful V-tail, she's a 1966, a lot of modern updates I think you'll enjoy, so let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. It's a Teledyne Continental IO 520, 285 horsepower engine, GAMI fuel injectors, 1562 on the engine since factory new. Check out your beautiful Scimitar prop, brand new, only 32 cents new. The exterior of this V-tail is beautiful, white overall with light maroon and light saddle stripes. Excellent condition, new paint in April 2006, 6,575 hours total time on the airframe since new. So check out the large cargo door, and the useful load for this airplane is impressive, 1268. You know that's more than most A36s. Also, we can top off the tanks and still have about 824 pounds for people, cargo, whatever. And when it comes to fuel, we have about 74 gallons of usable fuel on board. So come on in and check out the interior. It's in beautiful condition. I know your passengers are going to love it. Tan leather seats, beautiful tan beige carpet. It's in perfect condition. And actually the interior, it was redone in 2020. Let's check out your avionics with many modern modifications. Your Navcom number one is a Garmin 430 IFR GPS Navcom with WAAS. Your number two is a King Digital Navcom. Also, the Garmin GPS number two has a map 697 with charts. Transponder is a Garmin 345 with ADS-B traffic and weather. We have a King DME on board. You have an S-Tec 55X Autopilot with G5 EFIS, and you have a King Slave to HSI. Other features you will appreciate: 4-place intercom system, 3/8 speed slope windshield, all windows replaced in 2006, Cleveland wheels and brakes, JPI EDM 701 engine monitor, new style frameless pilot vent window, pilot and co-pilot shoulder harnesses. So this 1966 V35, she's looking for a new home. Lots of updates, lots of modernizations you will enjoy. I don't think she's going to last, so I do invite you to come on out to Piedmont Triad International Airport, take her for a test drive, and Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you V-tail. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May-K Beeler. Thank you so much for watching.